me ma munyi na akwa baby aseshia ena de mo request na me di bayo request ya ma chere se me amu se me ho aba asem original mo amabusa for Poloo bodo su bebre me si me bubo di ani mo fa ncheme na de nyam de ba no the healthiest Poloo recipe me pe Poloo pa but me version na me tai there were 3 recipes for Poloo the kind of the brown it is all pet near the sona jam comment made the so and that the healthiest one a wholemeal flour and I use and I give you a can so the quay and teach you wakonya send your mechanic na ye kind made our sister subscribe to this channel with our sister say video be about now share so who am views now intimidate women our now mo subscribe to this channel but more than subscribe into we say desiccated coconut 1 full cup grams mu na 80 grams wa ususu no and na we nsu wholemeal flour so ahu ne yen so no ana se ne yi mu ntete no sa ne be ka no eno nso 1.5 cups eno nso 190 grams wa ususu no we nsu brown sugar no 20 grams and na we say butter so anase margarine and also 50 grams so into 1 full tablespoon ususu and I will say a pinch of salt we means you and 75 milliliters into a quarter cup measurement and what is so and I weigh mixed spice so wow no say me pastries near the me kama no may use a quarter teaspoon and I will so nutmeg and also may use half a teaspoon so tea recipe no and one ye did so come do a konya me and to us and they said ya me and said you share me flour so let me share me desiccated coconut so now do brown sugar it's my catch so they are simple recipe na fe o de salt na salt no de emeye ni say endru quarter teaspoon po o de salt e kan wasi chire hu ye o pastry so ahu ema ede no ebe mumo so amfa nchinkitu ebi anka ho a ya na wonti esi chire ni papa enti so ahwa mimi sugar ni so a sa wo pemo a fe ka ho sane wo pe no so no aka ni na fra kama to say me de quarter teaspoon of mixed spice no e ka ho me de mixed spice na ka ho so only mixed spice as cinnamon kitu e bi ebe ko yie no so be ko and all spice and half a teaspoon of nutmeg so na de no so aka open mo a sene me no waka na de aka afi no waka enyo me nyina fra we pa wachi ewie no waji akonya na chese wahwe me recipe si bi why onu abusua for me sere mo to aso na fe wo de butter no o de aka ho nti eduru ha ne dia ma horo me nsa no ahoro nsa nyina kama so aha ne de ohia onsa na de ai nti eduru ha ne dia sanem no aka no horo nsa na afi waka ne nyina afra kama into pe butter na betumi aye from there me hu ni say wholemeal flour no one fa butter kakra na nka ho a na ye too dry wo de 1 tablespoon ne ka ho a ekoyi ba wo mpe a wo yi free ma bon se mu be din bebre keke e be okay ama no kan na ni hwa it's we mean ka se kotrem ko mo ya de hu je se mo ma eduma no kra ni ye de nti bo mo dia try to try ya no be jam ko se be oni ebi nsuba na obe wo comment na no so akwa try yeah to us go baby ya nti ka ni nyina afra wie no so aka ni nyina afra kama na afa odu nsuo aka 75 milliliters no and when nti o mpensi o bebra be ne peche so yes, I need them. I can't enough. You see, where the healthy option and casa. Want to make casa windy Poloo bedi because a koyi. Into Ghana, not only desiccated coconut. I was a Ghana for Muta Busaso, desiccated coconut, a kubea, our chi, our hatter. So, and Tise we are bokame, Utobia, your bomber wa, not as a wet chin come, no chins you, now they good trace, not as if we are not a hatana brewa. Now they good contain them, sana desiccated coconut at you. Now I'm on the dear Yaneja, Yayama into your coya near Cotamu, or be a bedroom and into no any size. So until only wholemeal now, I used to plain flour. Now, Yami Adam swap, it me plain flour there, so into no, don't subscribe here, would you subscribe here? Now, me now I see. Into say, now you share. I come on. So, I come. Me romance na afia to aso ya busa for say ade me and say me the wholemeal flour na bi na ye so anti on say brown flour no e wholemeal no na desiccated coconut na hihye mu so na wine say na feel baby rolly nti on fa pressure and to su bebre you rolling now woka edges no efemfam so na ma emma wadwuma bebre ti media no so ahwa hwe emu nya peche so o pede mu amre bebre abetumi de 5 milliliters bi aka but ana me pese dry ti na okay kan na feel the flour kakra bi apeti o baking sheet so just was spread na ma oh yeah, and come from home. They say they me and say me try to change if you messa can one. Maybe the amount is too thick. The sunny open thickness. Now I am this. So I'm going to try and swing and one. I was your phone say me the angwesi so ama me the to medium low. What they too high pa desiccated coconut no. Anyway, nso ye wholemeal no bo hu se na ehye so inti no one so they are two. Enke kam mo so bebre so they are two brown. So my first keyword so kebab steak na chese o de hwese enke kanta nti hwese enke kam mo so be bon se na chi kama na achin we no sisi mu a asegre yeah to aso so se me da no Ahebiam kubeno They say the dessicated coconut in the minute and echo. Ya didn't want money a day chair, dear, two and dear. Hey! And to answer, person that chin baby. Now, I buy a penny golden brown. Fine. Just I have fine. Come on, come on, and shoe. So, you're not going to me, Janet, a medium. Fit me answer me. Sorry, you go so you come. Me chedia canoni actions. Oh, see, I found the second one in Sunil. I come. Trouble. It's too high heat. One time I'm going to fry pan and tea sound. Hey, I ain't gonna work. Well, joke now, see Bomua, I think ground. So I'm sending a sound. Dear me. I wish you for. More sending a dear and I'm good. My camera, my baby, no more kebiacho. Misuya biscuit we are. Unto be mamma bio. Uku quite my pack lunch and other cacacia. Where you look at my lady man, oh my, no papa. The queen. Into me, I do. The teacher in baby, come on, wholemeal flour or brown sugar. Now we do sugar baby. Now they will make spice and eat a cracker. A simple recipe, but equally delicious. Send them a camera. And to wait here, but more than so better. I send them a number of queer. Now we know. Say no, we do movie. So I saw you be so idea and so I bring a ya. Why you been watching the camera? Now they are coming. And then the original, the DJ in an essay. I was seeing now you try say BB I ain't to me. Now you try see be and your man to think it. Bia, when you may fear see, no senior can't have a beer and Yana anymore, no senior. Bia, when you may be but other areas be war, baby a wolf fear winning one. So yen I use Miss me pennioma, because baby no be ya dear, and now said, or be chile be, you see be. Namin so kakra mi namin de abeka mi de ontumi nka so de meaning bibia ntimi mpese mesu ya bibia ye na we learn from each other mo bebre mo beja me commenter ebi a so media no me ya me de we kan namin so betwa bi o hwe eno na me de ja nti so subscribe to this channel ama me try wholemeal flour Poloo recipe pa eye healthy say ya subscribe we be nyamu ja I love you. God bless.